Hey YouTube, Santa Frank here. Today, going to be opening up a hobby box of Star Wars Black and White, Return of the Jedi. Pretty awesome stuff. I've actually done pretty decent so far with these. Um, this was I bought half a case of this from Cards Infinity, and I'm going to ship, or not going to ship them up, rip them live here. I'm going to put them in separate videos, though, of course. And just want to show what else came out of the same case as this if you're interested in knowing what stuff might be in a case. So, this same case, I picked up 3 boxes and opened them. Cards Infinity opened them online. And I got a base auto of Carolyn Blackston. This is a purple out of 10. Very awesome. Mark Dodson as Salacious Chrome, and I got a die cut Boba Fett sketch. It's actually a die cut of the Millennium Falcon, but man, they did a fantastic job with that sketch. I think really utilized that die cut really well with that Boba Fett look. It's by Keith Farnham, so nice job, Keith. Also, some other people opened the other 3 boxes. There was a Droopy McCool base auto, and also there were 2 sketches that were pretty decent. But I think this was the nicest sketch, and plus it was a die cut. But we'll see what else is in the rest of these 6 boxes. Here's box number 1 of the leftover out of that half case. I want to do a shout out to Jedi Styles. He's been ripping some Star Wars and pulling some great stuff. Shout out to Star Wars Geek. Shout out to Sebastian. Definitely go check out his new channel, No BS with SB, where he does a lot of it's like a comedian talk show, and they meet in pizzerias and sip coffee. It's pretty cool. Go check it out. And also check out his other new channel, No SB with BS, which is they talk about like French Canadian farm implements and Montreal Expos. Anyway, go check out his channel. Seriously, no BS with SB. All right, so let's go ahead and open this. All right, there's that. So, don't know what else would be in this, because I've seen some cases where they had no sketch cards, and I've seen a case that had 4, so there could be 1 more sketch card in this case, and then probably a bunch of autos, but I definitely want to check them out. Maybe we'll get something unexpected here. So we got Han Solo, we got Stormtroopers, we've got a cool scene there in the throne room. We got Darth Vader, Sepia, behind the scenes insert. We got Chewie and R2 and C-3PO. So we got Dagobah. There's R2 on there. We got Luke. So I've got something purple there. Got C-3PO. We got Jabba's Dancers. Here's the purple. 13 out of 25. That's nice. Han Solo. There's some gunners in there and stuff. So we got iconic characters. Admiral Akbar. It's nice. Jabba and Han Solo with Luke Skywalker. Here's what the packs look like. Oh, I like to show the pack odds if you're interested in seeing those. We got Bib Fortuna. We got Jabba getting choked by Leia. Got Ewoks. Nice Obi-Wan Kenobi. And again, These must be shots on set, because he's definitely not a Jedi spirit in that picture, but in the movie he's a Jedi spirit. There's a, I haven't seen this before, a like concept art Ewok design by Ralph McQuarrie. That's cool. Interesting. They look a little Planet of the Apes like. Got 3PO and Han Solo. Alright, next pack we got Han Solo. We got Han and Leia. The Emperor getting ready to use a little light, force lightning there, it looks like. We got Luke. There's a blue parallel of Luke behind the scenes. You got Ewoks playing drums on Stormtrooper helmets, and Akbar. So we got some Vader. We've got Rebels there. We've got Luke. Oh, we have something in this pack. So we've got Ewoks knocking over stormtroopers. We've got Han Solo and 3PO. So the third pack from the bottom seems to have a hit in it. Wait, this tricked me before. I thought that this is actually not a hit in this one. But that is a green parallel out of 99. .3PO obviously irritating Han Solo. Poster card, these are cool. We got Vader, and we got those guys. Alright, next pack. So we got Luke battling Vader. We've got Obi-Wan. We've got Darth Vader. We've got Luke. We've got a sepia there. Ooh, that's cool. Iconic characters, Emperor Palpatine. I enjoy this insert set, the iconic characters. Alright, so there'll be a hit in the very bottom pack. That's the best way. Yeah, we got Princess Leia. Definitely iconic shot there. We got Han and Chewie. Got Jabba, and then got a backwards card. That's got to be our hit. We got blue parallel, behind the scenes, 3PO, and more Jabba. So this might be a sketch. No, this is an autograph. So let's see who it is. Akbar. Tim Rose as Admiral Akbar. That's cool. Definitely one of the great characters from that movie. I've got quite a few Akbar autos over the years though, but that's a different one because it's from black and white set. So, not bad. Put that in my collection. Stay tuned for more videos.